Welcome to Eargo. We know you're excited to start hearing life to the fullest and can't wait to get started. So let's begin with what's in the box. Inside the box, you'll see the Eargo charger. Remove the charger and set it aside as you continue to unbox. Remove the white tray that the charger was resting on and unfold it to reveal a cleaning brush, a set of large and a set of small trumpet ear tips. Next, you'll find your user guides and cleaning cloth. To separate these, slide or break the ribbon off. Notice that your use and care guide contains the serial numbers for your devices. Beneath the user guides, you'll find the charger's USB-C cord and a power adapter for the USB-C cord to enable wall plug charging. Eargo packaging is recyclable, but we recommend retaining the box as a safe keeping place for these items. Your Eargo devices arrive ready to use, but to get the most out of your listening experience, we recommend also using the Eargo mobile app. The first time you launch the app, you'll be prompted to log in or to create an Eargo account. If you've already created an account on Eargo.com, you'll use the same email address and password to log into the mobile app. If you haven't created an Eargo account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. Just download the app from your app store and follow the in-app instructions to connect, self-fit, and personalize your devices to your hearing preferences. Your Eargo comes with support from our team of hearing professionals. You can view your use and care guide in the Eargo app. Additionally, you can view it and additional information on device wear, care, and maintenance at Eargo.com/guides. Happy hearing!